Hi guys, this is Umadurani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic that we guys are going to discuss today is about Amazon KDP and BookBolt. I'm going to show you guys how we are going to design books in BookBolt and then publish them on Amazon KDP and start making money with it. So if you guys are new here, as always, please do not forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I post some videos. And so yeah, without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's start with Amazon KDP. So first of all, just go to Google and search for Amazon KDP. Once you've done that, click the first link, which is kdp.amazon.com. Just go there and you will be able to sign in or sign up. So if you have already got your Amazon account, just sign in and it is going to connect it for you guys and you will be able to start publishing your books. Just have a little read through here. So you can self-publish your ebooks and paperback for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. As you guys know, the whole world is moving online and everything is just online, whether it's shopping or reading or doing whatever, movies and everything else. So yeah, just sign up over here, go to the market fast, publish it, and you'll be able to sell your books. All you need is content. Amazon will do the publishing for you, the printing for you, and the shipping and everything else. And then Amazon is going to ship it to your customers. And what's going to happen is Amazon is going to give you guys royalties for every book that sells, because obviously it is your book and you're the author of the book. The royalties range from anywhere from 40% to 70%, and I believe Amazon gives you control of that as well, how much you want to charge, like how much royalty you can get. As it says over here, earn up to 70%, so it can be anywhere from 40, 50, 60, 70%, up to 70%. Okay. So that's that. Having said that, let's go into Amazon Kindle and I'll show you how it looks like from inside. Once you've signed up, you can have a look over here. This is a bookshelf. Then you got reports, community, marketing. Obviously, marketing is for advertising your books if you want to advertise them. Obviously, there are millions of books online, so you would have to sometimes do market your books. And once you start selling them, once the algorithm recognizes your book, the system recognizes it, then you can slowly, gradually just take your marketing off, and it will still keep on selling organically. Having said that, okay, now let's see. I've got these two books that I've published here on Amazon.com and Amazon UK. You can see those books over here. If you just click on the bookshelf, this is going to show you, basically the bookshelf is, as the name suggests, it's a shelf where they'll show you all your books which are live and which are not live. If you want to see it on the actual website, how it looks like, this is the book. So you can have a look over here, your bullet points, your title, and the size and everything else, how many pages there are. All the details are there. So if you want to buy it, if a customer wants to buy it, they can just add to basket and then voila, we make the sales. Okay, so it's a very simple and very easy to use system. So it's like you cannot get, you can't go wrong with the system. Okay, and then you got reports over here, which obviously will show you all your reports, orders, everything else, because obviously I just launched it a couple of days ago, so there's nothing there to show you guys. But so you can have a look at your reports, your orders, your KENP read, month to date, promotions, pre-orders, and everything else. Your dashboard, your payments, obviously that matters a lot. Yeah. So this is everything about Amazon KDP. Then you got the community thing, which to be honest I have never used, but yeah, you can always search topics, and there is a forum where you can get help from others in the community. Okay, and the last tab is, as I said, is marketing. So if you click on marketing, it's just going to show you, like, if you want to enroll for an ebook, or if you want to go on Amazon ads and A+ content where you can add some more pictures and then market it and advertise it. Run a price promotion. So basically start a Kindle countdown deal or a free book promotion. Only on KDP selected books are eligible. So basically this is just marketing, and this is obviously a complete topic in itself, so which I'm going to make later on for you guys a video on this. So this is this. So let's go to Book Bolt now, which is obviously where we are going to design our books. And to be honest, this is by far the easiest way to make Amazon books. You can do it on Canva as well, even on their free version or their paid version or whatever version you want to use. But over here, you don't have to worry about anything else because they have actually made it so easy to publish it on KDP. The dimensions are right. There's hundreds of templates that you can choose from to make your books. So you can always start with a 3-day free trial and test it out. If you like it, it's fine. I think it's about £8 or £9 after that, after the trial period finishes. And let me take you guys into my account. So here, so this is what the Book Bolt account looks like. So first of all, you have tutorials, then you have products where you can search your products. So by the keyword and by category, if you want to search, let's say, I don't know, comic books or whatever, just put comic books. And then you got your sellers. You can search the whole seller's catalog. So if you have a seller's name, you want to see what books they are selling, so you can always put their name here. That is the seller's name from Amazon. So you bring the name from there into here and search it. And then you go your cloud, where you can search your books according to your bestsellers. So from anywhere from 100, 200, 300, all the way to 500 bestseller books, different categories, notebooks, journals, music sheets, coloring books, activity books, whatever books you want to make. So for the purpose of this example, we just leave it to notebook, and then this is the BSR and the price range. So keywords, I'm just going to leave it blank, and let's press search. What it's going to do is it's going to search all the top 100 books, bestseller books in the notebook category. Over here below it shows results data. So if you just click here, it tells you about the top bestsellers, what's the ranking, the price range, total results, highest price, lowest price, average price. So basically average price of the book is about £7, $7.50, which is obviously not bad. And it also tells you about the keyword counts. So which keywords you should have in your titles when you make your books. So let's close this, and then you can have a look over here. Becoming free indeed. So all this gives you all the data over here. So the price is £15. 77 is the BSR. And then you got monthly sales of 885 books per month. So if you look at that, 885 into £15, that's a very, very handsome amount of money. So you can have a look at here. If you think you want to make something like a book that you want to go for, you can always research your books here. You can press the heart button and it'll save it. If you press this, it's just going to show you the detailed graph of how it's doing. So the ranking and the amount of money that the book is selling for. So yeah, you can have a look at all these different data, and then you can select which book you want to make. So it shows you the ratings, if the author's name, who's published it, and the price, as I said earlier, BSR, and everything else. You got a lot of data that you can go for. Once you have decided what books you have to make, you just click on research here and go and press create. Once you're here, you go on to Book Bolt Studios, log in, it's just loading up at the moment. There you go. As I said, see, you've got all the dimensions and everything else here, so you don't have to worry about anything. This is your cover page. These are your other odd books and everything else, like whatever you want to design. So you just have to design your book and apply for it. So if you want to go for a new project, you can always go here, projects, new projects, old projects, rename your projects, delete your projects, whatever you want to do, you can do with that. Okay, and then on here you have got all the design things, how you're going to design your book. So over here, the first thing is free drawing. If you want to just draw it yourself, or if you want to add elements, like you can add anything, like for the cover page, and then you can add text, or you can add triangles, books, or whatever. You can write headings, like for example, my first book, or whatever. You can change the color, you can make the font smaller, bigger, choose a different font, or however you want to design it. Creativity is like sky is the limit. You can just do whatever you feel like. You can enter pictures if you want to. You have the free ones, you have Pixabay and Upsplash. So you can add, if you want to add some books, like I don't know, if you want to, there you go. And you can make it bigger, smaller, and however you want it, you can go for it. You can move it backwards, forward, front, like exactly like you can do in Canva. So you can play around with all of this. So this is your front side, this is the back side of the book. And once you've done that, you go and go to the page template, and you can see which kind of pages you want. Like if you're making a handbook, a notebook, or if you're making for graphs, for dotted page graph books, or handwriting paper. You can create puzzles if you just go for pro, and you can make all of these things, like your bills tracker, or like hundreds of templates there, monthly to-do lists, mood trackers, office trackers, online shopping trackers. There's like hundreds of things that you can make, and then you can publish them. So for example, let's say if you are just going to make a handwriting book, so you just click on here, you see which paper you want, narrow handwriting, college handwriting paper, wide handwriting. So let's go for the wide one. You can select all of them and then just deselect the first one. So now they're gonna automatically, you don't have to do individually to each paper, it's just gonna do for all of them. You just press next. Your line color, if you want to make it black or whatever line you want to give it, red, and press OK. Just make the width a little bit bigger, and the space between this I like 0.6, and let's submit it, and it's just going to do the magic. It's loading up over here, you can see, and voila, your pages are ready. It is that simple, guys. Yeah, so once you've done this, all you have to do is go to Amazon Kindle, press create, and just follow the on-screen instructions. Just put paperback, hardcover, series page. If you're making a book of series or just an ebook or whatever, you can just go there, select paperback for this one, and give your book title, edition, that's optional, your author, your name, and contributor, if there is any contributor. If somebody has helped you making the book, designing the book or whatever, you can put their name here, give your description, some nice bullet points, and then I own the copyright, which is, yeah, you own it. And then the keywords you are obviously going to get it from the keyword count here, see which keywords are performing better, and you can use those keywords in your title. And after all of that, you can just do save and continue, and that's it. You're done with your book, and your book, it's going to take about 72 hours to review, and then they will be online, up and running for you guys. Hope this helps you guys a lot, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments down below. And yeah, until the next time I see you, have a good time, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.